Today's Bellwork is a question on Pythagorean theorem. It says the diagram shows a column with two cables attached to each side. The distance from the base of the column to where the cables are attached is 15 feet. Then the cables are 25 feet long and 17 feet long. Then at the bottom it says, what is the distance between A and B? So the ultimate final answer is only supposed to be how far is this amount. Not the whole thing, but just the distance between A and B. Okay, so first of all, I have one big triangle. And then I have one small triangle. So if I find these values for here and here, I can subtract them and I'll get the distance that's in red. So I'm going to do the large triangle first. A squared plus B squared is C squared. Remember the diagonal line that's across from the right angle is always your C. So 25 is the hypotenuse. I don't know A or B. I'm going to pretend like I don't know B. And then A was this distance at the bottom, the base, which is 15. So 15 squared. 15 squared is 225. I don't know B squared. But 25 squared is 625. Then, to solve this, I would minus, because I'm missing one of the small sides. And then it would say B squared is 400. Okay, well, I don't want to know the square amount. I just want to know the side length, so I need to do the square root. So the value of B is the square root of 400, which makes 20. So now I know that this long distance all the way from top to bottom is 20. So that can't be the actual answer. Then I'm going to do the small triangle. Again, A squared plus B squared is C squared. The C is the same. It's still, oh, sorry about that. The C this time is 17. It's the A that was the same. The base is still 15. So C is 17 squared. I'm going to pretend like I still don't know B, but A squared is still 15 because it's the base. 15 squared is still 225. I don't know B squared, but 17 times 17 is 289. Then again, I'm missing a small side, so I would subtract 225. When you do that, B squared equals only 64. I don't want the square value. I want the value of just B. So I should take the square root of 64, which is 8. So now I know the final answer is not 8 either. But what I would do is find the difference between these two numbers. So 20 minus 8 is 12. That's the distance only between A and B.